Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is malicious. It is pronounced malicious, and it is spelt M-A-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Think mal, and then I-C, and then I-O-U-S. Malicious means characterized by malice, intending or intended to do harm. For example, you could say the villain maliciously attacked the city. The word malicious comes from the Old French malicious, meaning showing ill will or being spiteful. If you do something malicious, it could also be seen or described as spiteful. See the connection? Can you think of any particularly malicious villains? How about the evil queen who fed Snow White a poisoned apple? She intended to do harm to Snow White and therefore could be described as malicious. Or perhaps you could look at Cruella de Vil. Malicious Cruella wanted to turn the 101 Dalmatian puppies into a lovely luxury spotted fur coat. How malicious indeed. Malicious is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say some malicious rumors circulated about his past. Malicious is defined in the dictionary as intended to do harm or upset other people. Malicious synonyms include spiteful, malevolent, hostile, bitter, venomous, poisonous, evil-intentioned, ill-natured, evil, baleful, vindictive, and vengeful. Antonyms include good, benevolent, aiding, assisting, decent, forgiving, and friendly. See if you can notice anything malicious today. It could be a villain on TV or YouTube, or in a book. Impress your friends and family by using a new word today, malicious. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.